Hi folks, this is Tom Bryant with Top Notch Hearing, and in today's video I want to talk about changing the filters on your hearing aids, because if your hearing aid seems to quit working for whatever reason, if it just seems like it suddenly stops, or if it seems a little bit weaker and not as loud as it should be, then chances are that the little filter on the tip of the speaker has gotten clogged up with wax. So I want to show you how to change this real quick, and that'll get you back to hearing in no time. So give me just a second. I'm going to set this up and we'll show you how to change it. Okay, what I've laid out here is the replacement disc that come in this little disc right here. This is written instructions, and you can see it has everything, good diagrams for you that show you how to do everything. And then of course we've got the hearing aid. So the way you do, what you will do first is just grab the little silicone tip and pull that off. And you can see inside here is the filter, and that's what we're going to be replacing. So to do it, if you look at the disc, of course you've got step number 1 here, it looks like a trash can, and then step number 2 is the replacement filter. And right now, the way the disc is, there's empty spots in between the replacement. So I'm going to rotate this disc clockwise, and you kind of pinch it as you do it. And as I pinch that, you can see the replacement filter appears here in step number 2. But before we replace the filter, we have to remove the existing filter, which is what step number 1 is. So when I push this in there, hopefully you can hear like a little click. There it goes. And when I pull that back out, now you can see the old filter is here in step number 1. And now we're just going to insert the new filter. And there it's snapped into place. And remove that. And you can see the filter. There's your old filter. The new filter has been replaced. And you can see it in here. We've got the new filter back where it belongs. And then you just simply take your dome, and it just pushes on the end there, and that's all there is to it, folks. This is a very simple process. As you can see, it just takes a minute to do it, and that's going to alleviate 90% of the problems you're going to have with these hearing aids. If that doesn't fix it, then obviously get in contact with us right away, because there's something else going on, and we can help you troubleshoot it from there. But again, this is Tom Bryant with Top Notch Hearing. If you have any questions or concerns, please don't hesitate to reach out to us. We are here to help you every step of the way. Thank you.